Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MLHC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been a while since I did the last update on this one, but this is in total ninja mode. I say ninja mode because, bullish ninja mode, I should say, because ninja, I mean, you look down here at volume, and yeah, there's been volume, but it has not been anything gigantic compared to what this chart has had before. But despite the lower volume, check out what the chart's doing. Just very quietly creeping upwards like a bullish ninja is going to do. I get it. Sometimes it's great to have all sorts of volume and all that. But, this one is definitely kind of the silent assassin right now. It just keeps on creeping upwards, higher lows, higher highs, and that's how uptrends are made. So, I mean, at the end of the day, that's what matters. And to give a little bit more context, you can see, yeah, things got rough right here with the downwards pullback. But since then, like I said, and you look during all of that, a lot more hoopla, a lot more chatter, a lot more volume. Things quieted down via volume, as I pointed out, and now things are just quietly creeping their way back upward. So definitely a nice looking chart here over the past few days, and really not a whole lot to talk about other than levels of support. And one way to do it, you can just look at the lows. So I mean, you can, there's a low, there's a low, there's a low, there's a low. If you picture each of these as stair steps, then very clearly the stairs are progressing in the upwards direction. But I think a much cleaner way to do all this is just to use the moving averages, specifically in this case, that pink line there, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. And so far, so good. You can see right there, nice bounce off of it. Beautiful bounce off it on actually 3 separate occasions right there. So overall, case in point here, as long as the price is above that pink line, the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. Now, even if the price does drop slightly below it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Sure, the chart would lose a little bit of its attractiveness, but it's not like everything's totally ruined, unless the price, of course, crashes down through it. But overall, as long as the price is above it or very close to it, then the bulls are in full control of this overall trend and still in ninja bullish mode. Now, they don't go to ninja mode anymore if volume all of a sudden explodes back into it. But as it stands right now with the lower volume but the slower increase in price, you got to like it. So, yeah, if you want to just summarize this, 30-minute bullish ninja mode. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.